Hello, welcome to the UltFone channel. Just now Apple released the latest iOS 17 public beta. Many friends have already installed it excitedly. Did you jump at the opportunity to install the iOS 17 developer beta? Are you now faced with crashes and buggy software? Luckily, you can downgrade from iOS 17 back to iOS 16 fairly easily, although you might have some issues if you didn't back up. So in order to downgrade more safely and conveniently, here we need use a tool called UltFone iOS System Repair. You can see the Downgrade iOS option. Before start, you better back up your device with iCloud first because downgrading will remove all your data. Then connect your device to the computer. Go on with Downgrade iOS button. Here we can see two options. Be sure to back up your device, then click Downgrade. Download the firmware. Click Start to proceed. Well done. Here reset your device like new. Here you can restore the previous backup data. You can see that we go back to iOS 16. Don't forget to restore your data from backup. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.